my name is Alya Prenadea, name 23010664409. In this video, I will present a research article titled Continuous Worsening of Population Emotional Stress Globally and Universality and Variation, written by Piao, and Managi, published in BMC Public Health in 2024. I will summarize this article using the IMRAD structure in introduction, method, result, and discussion. Okay, presentation overview, 1 introduction, 2 methods, 3 result, and 4 discussion. This presentation is divided into 4 sections following the IMRAD format. First, I will explain the introduction, which covers the background and research problem. Then, I will discuss the methods used in the study. Next, I will present the result, including key findings from 149 countries. And finally, I will cover the discussion, which includes interpretation, limitation, and conclusion. Okay, in the slide 3, introduction, the introduction section of this article explain why studying emotional stress in a global level is so important. According to the World Health Organization, stress is one of the greatest health crises of the 21st century. Research has consistently shown that psychological stress is a major contributor to serious physical illness, including cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. Debited is significant. Large-scale data tracking global stress trends across many countries over long periods of time have remained limited. The purpose of this research was to examine time trends of psychological stress in population worldwide using data from 149 countries, spanning the years 2007 to 2021. Okay, in the next slide, in the method, the study used a repeated cross-sectional design. The data source was the Gallup World Poll, conducted annually in over 160 countries. The total sample was approximately 2.45 million respondents across 149 countries from 2007 to 2021. The research compared results across 3 time periods. First, 2008 to 2011. Second, 2012 to 2019. The third, 2022 to 2021. Okay, in this next slide, result atau key finding. The finding of this study were striking. 85% of countries report worse psychological stress in 2020 compared to 2008. More than half of the population in 20 countries reported experiencing emotional stress. Young people aged 15 to 29 experienced the sharpest decline in psychological well-being. Additionally, stress increased across all employment types and residential area. Okay, the result. This chart shows stress trend by age group. The youngest group, age 15 to 29, increased from about 32% in 2008 to 2011 to 48% in 2020 to 2021. That is 16 percentage point. All age groups show an upward trend, especially in 2022 to 2021, likely due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Next slide is discussion. Emotional stress has been worsening over the past 15 years. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this trend, especially among younger generation. Social economic factors play a major role in stress level. The study suggests that improving income and reducing physical pain are more effective than focusing only on medical treatment. Limitations include self-reported data and cross-sectional design, meaning casual relationship cannot be confirmed. Okay, the last slide is conclusion. This study shows that emotional stress has been continuously worsening globally over the past 2 decades. Young people are the most affected group, indicating a growing mental health crisis. The research highlights that improving living conditions, reducing physical pain, and increasing income and can significantly reduce stress. The study calls for a holistic approach to mental health. That's a conclusions my presentation in this article.